Good morning with you guys. So it's actually 11 in the morning already and I am walking. It's May 19, so I'm starting the vlog here and it's so cold. It's fucking cold. It's already 10 in the morning. It's so fucking cold. So I am outside because I have to change our USD money, and oh my god, this is the view. So yeah, I am here at this bank near in our hotel and I'm just gonna change our money first, and yeah, I'll update you soon. Good morning guys! So ayun guys, tapos na akong magpa-change ng money dun sa baba sa may bank. So medyo hassle siya, in fairness. Hindi ko nakasanayan yung process nila kasi minsan yung process ng pagpapa-exchange na nakasanayan ko is that nagbibigay lang ng passport, kinukwenta nila, tapos na. But I've signed a lot of papers. But anyways, it's okay. So today guys, it's our day 2. It's Monday here in Taipei. And we're going to Yulyu Geopark. Yesterday, hindi namin siya napuntahan kasi mag-1 PM na, tapos hindi, nawawala talaga kami. And to travel to Yulyu Geopark, it will take like around 2 hours. Tapos mag-close siya ng 5 PM. So kung 1 PM kami umalis kahapon, tapos hindi pa kami kumain ng lunch na noon. So parang it's no point na dumating, parang mga 1 or 30 minutes lang yung time namin sa Yulyu Geopark. So parang sayang naman nung effort naming mag-travel. So we've decided to go today to Yulyu Geopark. So this is our second day here in Taipei and it's just a chill day and we're just waiting for our baby to finish drinking his milk. Sobrang lamig sa labas guys, sobra talaga. Parang okay naman, this is my outfit, but feel ko hindi siya kulang siya. Ang lamig talaga sa labas. Pero for the content and for the fashion, tiis ganda. Okay guys, we'll update you later pag nakasakay na kami ng bus. Bye!
You say you wanna make it happen. You know what I want. Don't try to fight the heavens. Good girls aren't the one. I'm a flower and it bloom like a shower you love. You can keep the keys to your dreams.
Sa may bus stop. Ayan. Naghihintay na lang kami ng bus 1815 going directly to Yulyu Geopark. And our baby is sleeping. Sobrang lamig guys. Sobrang lamig. So, yeah. 14 minutes pa daw yung bus namin. So, I'll just get back to you later. So this is Taiwan at Yulyu Geopark. Hindi ko kastorya ka dalang kikinulit. Lagi, ako na i-voice over. Guys, wala na yung mga Pinoy. Anyways, andito na kami sa may Yulyu. Papasok kami sa Yulyu Geopark. Sobrang lamig guys. Like, sabi nung anuhan namin is 19 degrees. Pero parang hindi siya 19 degrees. Yung outfit ko parang hindi siya angkop sa lakad na to. So, we're just happy that it's a very good day today. And, yeah. Ito yung lugar niya guys. Ito yung lugar. Ayan. So, parang siyang beside ng fish port. Ganon. So, I'll get back to you later.
Say the magic word.
could take it slow. You the type of dime I'm really trying to get to know. If it's cool with you, maybe we could hit the show. I could take you places you ain't know you wanna go. Baby girl, slow it down before you catch a feeling. You don't notice where I've been, I have been a minute. I've been trying to take my time cause it's been a minute. Really all I'm looking for.
Guys, we're here finally sa Yo-Yo Geopark. And dito bibili ng ticket.
Mrs. Independent, yeah, I heard the good girls do it better. Love a little harder and it get a little wetter. Going gets good, girl, whenever we're together. Anytime she need it, I'ma bring a sweater for the weather. I'ma give you the world, now it's pushing it. I'ma give you my time, start booking it. Nowadays we turn away from all the ushy gushy shit. Everybody looking for love, but never look at it.
Want to go someday. I'm gonna take you there. I'm gonna take you there.
Good girl, real high with the latitudes. And you're smart, turn around what the brains do. Independent and your credit score beautiful. You fine as hell, baby girl, I'm so proud of you.
Your dreams, say the magic words, one more. This will be for free. Don't want dreams. You took the words right out of my mouth.
Girl, good girl.
Nice guys don't finish last.
Here at Yo-Yo Geopark. Look, it's the ocean. Is it the ocean? Is it ocean? Ah, it's an ocean. Look, it's an ocean, Papa. It's ocean, Papa.
This is the rock and this is the grass. Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.
Tag 100. Hi! Hi!
What thing is that? I wonder.
Gusto ka? Wala ko ba sa mga isda? Gusto ka? Mo try? Ha? Wala ko kabalo. Mga 100 din ang pinakabaratong baligyan. Gusto ka? I-try lang, good.
Kamuti oh.
Gusto ka? Kamote.
Ikaw masari ano? Ikaw ni sa si mong ano, panakton.
May sila free taste di oh. Try. Ilan na? Ang ano ba? And one also.